So in this video, I will guide you through on how to log in as an agent. So you just need to open this link. It will bring you to this welcome screen and you need to click on agent login. So you need to put the credentials for the phone and hit the submit button. Now you would see it is again asking for the user login and the user password. So in the first stage, or in the first step, we put the login for the phone, and now we are putting a phone for we are putting the credentials for the user or the account. So each user or an account has its own phone or an extension assigned to it. So every time you'll put two credentials, first for the phone and second time for the account. After that, you'll click on campaign and you would get a drop down list. You need to select a campaign from over here. So I would select this campaign as an example just to show you. So as soon as I get login, you'll get this screen over here, the green screen. It will get disappear after a few seconds. You need to click on groups and you need to make sure that the blended calling is activated and hit the submit button. So if this is not enabled, the system would not make any outbound calls. You would only be able to receive incoming calls. So this is a blended campaign. So you need to make sure that this option is checked from the agent screen and you hit the submit button. After you do that, you have to click on call agent web phone. You'll have to do this every time when you log into the agent portal. So
Be
as soon
the
as you
only
log
person in
into
this
the agent
conference.
portal, you should hear an audio that you are the only person in this conference. If you don't hear this audio on the background, you can log out and log in again. Maybe there's a lag in the network that you are connected to. Still, even after logging in again, you still face the same problem that you are not able to hear the audio, or let's say if you're talking to the customer and the quality is not really good. So you can ask the admin that he can make a SIP phone for you rather than a web phone. So in the SIP phone, like a web phone would not be recommended in where the network is not stable. So you could use a SIP phone. So this would be the way on how to log in as a agent.